The iPhone 15 is right around the corner, and it brings a host of new features along with hardware and design changes. A major revision will be the iPhone factory itself, with the most significant change being a completely new production location. Let's peek inside Apple's intriguing iPhone 15 factory. Ever since its original release, the iPhone was an instant hit, despite being one of the most expensive phones on the market. The iPhone brand is the most sought after in the business, thanks to its beautiful design, high quality materials, impeccable fit and finish, high end hardware, and the stability of iOS. What do you think of iOS? Do you like its stability, or do you prefer the modularity of Android OS? Let us know in the comment section below. It's surprising to learn that iPhones have almost exclusively been assembled in China, with more than 150 Apple production facilities located there. The biggest is the Foxconn Zhengzhou factory, employing over 350,000 workers and known as the iPhone City. If you own an iPhone, it likely came from here, as more than 500,000 phones are made by Foxconn Zhengzhou daily. This factory accounts for more than half of all iPhones produced. However, in recent years, the relationship between China and the US has deteriorated, especially after China's decision to support Russia. Strikes and revolts have also disrupted iPhone production. Apple has decided to reduce its dependency on China and cut ties completely, seeking alternative manufacturing countries. The most logical new production location is India. Apple officials have confirmed moving iPhone production there, as products are already assembled in India. This makes India a perfect candidate for full-fledged iPhone production, starting with the iPhone 15. India offers benefits like lower development compared to China and a lower work hour rate, which cuts into Apple's profits less. Moving production to India, which already has thriving Apple assembly plants, means Apple will save money while also managing to develop.